Every year, thousands of Medicare beneficiaries lose hundreds, sometimes thousands of dollars simply because they don't take action during the annual enrollment period, AEP. And here's the kicker. Many don't even realize their benefits are changing until it is way too late. Picture this. It's January, the new year begins, and suddenly you find out your doctor is no longer in your plan's network. Your prescriptions that used to cost $10 now cost $60, and that grocery or dental allowance you were counting on has disappeared. Scary, right? But here's the good news. In this video, I am going to be showing you exactly what you must do before October 15 to protect your coverage, save money, and maximize your Medicare benefits. Stick with me, because this information could literally save you thousands of dollars next year. So stay tuned. Welcome back to the Next Level Lifehacks, where we take the next steps needed to grow towards our financial freedom and success. Now, if you don't already know, the Medicare annual enrollment period runs from October 15 to December 7 every single year. This is the only window where millions of Americans can review, compare, and change their Medicare Advantage plan or prescription drug plan as many times as you feel like, but you make one decision before December 7. This isn't just another reminder about dates. This is your opportunity to take back control of your healthcare and your financial future. Remember as well that, as I have said in previous content, if you want unbiased, logical healthcare solutions and advice, contact us at the information on the screen or in the description box below, because we have helped hundreds of Medicare beneficiaries to be landed on the right plan that is suitable for them based on their needs. But let's move ahead. Now, in the next 10 to 12 minutes, I will break down everything for you. I am going to review why reviewing your plan before October 15 is critical, the hidden risks of doing nothing, how small changes can actually put real money back in your pocket, and finally, I will give you a simple step-by-step action plan you can follow right now so that you can take advantage of any situation you're in. Now, why acting before October 15 really matters? Here is something that many persons don't realize. Plans are already being released before AEP starts. It is released to us brokers as what is known as the first looks, but we are not able to discuss plans with beneficiaries until October 1. What you don't know is that carriers change benefits every year. In 2024, some Medicare Advantage plans cut dental by as much as $1,000. Network shifts, doctors you see today might not be in network next year, and prescription costs change each year. A medication that costs $10 in 2024 can easily jump to $60 or more in 2025 if it moves into a higher drug tier. Now, here's an example. Let's say just one of your prescription goes up to $30 a month. That's an extra $240 out of your pocket every year if it was $10 before. Now, if there are several family members with these increases, there's a more significant increase in your monthly expenses and your annual expenses just because you did not take care in reviewing plans before October 15. Now, there is a cost to doing nothing. Now, I get it. Many persons stay with their current plan because it is easier for you, you feel safer, and it is less of a hassle. But let's talk about the cost of doing nothing. According to the Kaiser Family Foundation, nearly 7 in every 10 Medicare enrollees never compare plans. Can you imagine that? 7 in every 10. And now what happens? These persons end up paying 15 to 30% more in out-of-pocket costs every year. Worse, they miss out on extra benefits such as grocery allowances, help with utilities, over-the-counter items, and even transportation benefits. That is money and support that they are leaving on the table. Money that could have helped relieve the financial strain they are already under. Now, when you hear me say that doing nothing is your most expensive choice, now you understand what I mean. Now, let's look at your step-by-step AEP game plan. Step 1 is to review your current coverage. Start by listing out your doctors, your specialists, and your hospitals. Then you're going to write down every prescription drug that you take, including the dosages. Last, Take note of any extra benefits you rely on, like dental, hearing, grocery cards, transportation, whatever it might be. Step 2 is to compare the plans early. Do not wait until October 15. Carriers release the plans earlier. Work with your broker who represents all carriers like us, because we represent all carriers in Georgia. Therefore, you are not limited to one company's options. When you compare, pay special attention to 3 things: the monthly payment, the maximum out-of-pocket limit, and your drug coverage. Step 3 is to run the numbers. Here's a quick scenario. Your current plan, say for example, has 0 premium, but your maximum out-of-pocket is $4,000, while another plan has a $25 per month monthly premium, but the out-of-pocket max is $3,000. So even though you pay a lower premium, your actual out-of-pocket risk is only $700. That's the type of math you need to run. Your next step is not to ignore extra benefits, not just looking at the premium. In 2025, plans offered up to $250 in grocery allowances. They offered up to $5,000 in terms of dental benefits, including implants and crowns and partial dentures, and they offered utility credits of up to $100 per month. So even if the premiums look similar, these extra benefits can easily add up to thousands of dollars in real value, so don't overlook these smaller benefits. Step 5. Those doctors that you made the list of, whether it be your primary care provider or your specialists, including your endocrinologist, your cardiologist, your nephrologist, make sure you discuss with your agent if they are in network for the plan that you're discussing for the following year. Many beneficiaries make the mistake of only checking for their primary care provider that they are in network. Then when they go to their specialist next year, they are faced with a high copay, because guess what? The specialists are not in network for that plan. Therefore, your out-of-pocket cost increases because you are paying higher co-payments. Your next step is to make sure that all your prescription drugs are covered by the plan. Many persons take it for granted, including the agent, that the prescription drugs are covered, and they do not make sure the prescription drugs are covered, and even if they are covered, what tier they fall on. The higher the tier that your drugs fall on, with the exception of tier 6, then the higher co-payment you're going to be paying. Therefore, your expenses increase. Remember as well, you are on a fixed income. Therefore, any fluctuations, especially increasing costs, will lower the amount that you have to spend on other things, including food and utilities for your household. Therefore, make sure you are guaranteed as much as possible what your co-payments and out-of-pocket costs are going to be, and the best thing for you is to try to keep them as low as possible. Now, if you follow these steps, you are highly guaranteed to be selecting the most appropriate plan for you for the upcoming year. And remember, I said that if you want an agent that is unbiased, that is able to look at all the plans that are available across Georgia and give you an unbiased opinion as to what suits you the most, then contact us at the information on the screen or in the description below. Now, let's wrap this up. Medicare AEP is not just about switching plans. It is about protecting yourself from hidden costs and unlocking benefits that can seriously improve your quality of life. And here is the bottom line. If you don't review your Medicare plans before October 15, you are gambling with your health and with your wallet. The policy is that your agent can discuss your benefits with you starting October 1. Therefore, take that 2-week period before October 15 to evaluate and review all the plans available to you, so that when October 15 comes, you are ready with a decision as to which plan you would like to get enrolled in. If you take just 1 hour to gather your information, compare your options, and make a decision, you can start 2026 with peace of mind, knowing your doctors are in network, your prescriptions are covered, and you are getting every benefit you qualify for. Therefore, your action steps today, they are simple. Gather your plan information, your list of doctors, your prescription. Schedule a session with your agent before October 15 so that you can compare and know which plan you'd like to get enrolled in. Remember as well that you should not be worried. Between October 15 and December 7, You have the liberty to make as many changes as you want in terms of your plan choice. It is the last plan that you select before midnight of December 7th, which is the plan that is going to stick on the books for 2026. So therefore, you can make several changes within the period just to make sure that you have made the best decision regarding the plan that suits you the most. Thank you for the privilege of your time today. If you have any additional questions or if you need any further clarification, please feel free to contact us at the information on the screen or in the description box below so that we can guide you towards the best Medicare Advantage choice for the upcoming year. If you know of anyone else that is turning 65, or if they are not happy with their current plan and need to review for next year, please share this content with them so that they will know the steps that they need to take to make sure that they make the best decisions for themselves for next year. Thank you again for watching and see you in the next video.